Okay, so this has arrived from eBay, a replacement inner workings. Let's get this opened up. Let's see how far this sticks out. Yeah, I think that's probably about right. Before we do that, perhaps we should pop a battery in and see if it's moving. What have we got on this thing? Instructions. Oh, okay, so you can get instructions online with the QR code. Very good. This is the wheel for setting, and that's all there is to it, really. So let's get a battery and see if we can hear a tick. Right, let's pop this little bad boy in. Oh, jeez. Thought it was a triple A then. Okay. I can hear movement. Might be too quiet for the camera to pick up. Okay. Let's get this fitted in then. I think first what I want to do is give this a bit of a clean, because it's a bit scuzzy. Scuzzy Wuzzy was a woman. Splosh it all on. Let's not be sparing when it comes to cleaning. We have a loose leg. Does that screw in, or is that a nail? Let me just try and force it. If it's a screw, that should tighten up. No. My mother also said she wants this tightened up as well because it's gone a bit crooked. And with that nut there, what I'm going to do is take that off and put a little washer on, because every time you tighten that up it just goes further and further into the wood, thus damaging it. And we don't want that, do we? No, we don't want that. And there is a nut there. Okay, I'm going to put these on the back that were on there originally, so we can tighten this up better in here. Also, it will reduce the distance, because even with hands on, or rather when the hands are on, it's hitting the glass, which we can't have, so let's unscrew that. Apologies for the movement. I decided not to put a washer on this, even though I said I would. I haven't got a spare washer. Right, I'm going to leave that running. Come back in 10 minutes or 10-15 minutes and then check to make sure it's working. Got all these spare bits, these cogs. It's unlikely I'm ever going to use any of these ever again, so I'm afraid they're going in the bin. No recycling for you. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. More unnecessary things going into landfill. Okay, it's been close to 20 minutes, and as you can see, it's 12:15. Check on the computer. Yep, 12:15, so that's keeping time correctly. And what we need to do is pop this back on, like so. Oh, that doesn't fit very well. Let's try that way. No, same problem. Well, that's rubbish, isn't it? Okay, well, let's... Okay, that is on. That's a fix, baby. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers, that golden number. So now would be a good time to subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love the one on screen now.